I have two Milwaukee Fastbacks, but the problem is that this one I can't seem to get the blade in properly. And I've tried different bits, a whole variety of different bits, to try take this off, because I suspect maybe something is inside here, but you know, I'm looking in here, I can't see anything. But let me just demonstrate the problem here. Is that when I try to put the bit in here, it doesn't go all the way back, and then it just slides out very easily. No matter what I do, I just can't get it in there, so I suspect there's a problem. As you can see, can't get it in here. It's not a problem with the blade, because I can take this blade out and use my other Fastback without hopefully cutting myself. Because we cut up boxes, you know, sometimes tape can get caught in the blade, but so there's no problem getting this one all the way back. So that's correct. Okay, I did manage to unscrew those tiny little screws with this one. It's probably on the wrong place, but this is the ending. So I think I do see the problem here. You see there's some tape gunked up here. Just removing the tape. I'm a little bit worried about this though. Let's spring. Yeah, I guess the hardest thing was just finding the right screwdriver bit. It's this one. Ah, perfect. It's fixed. It is fixed. There's a little piece of plastic.
Got in there?
Yeah. Yeah, so now it works perfectly.
Oh, good.
Actually, I don't think this is the sharp side though. Just switch it over. Pressing this button is a little fiddly. You get used to it. Nice. Cool.
Oh, just listen to that phone.